To install your 2.6, you're going to need the mounting bracket that comes in a box, the hardware that comes in a box, and then you're going to want a drill and a 1/4" drill bit to drill the holes. When you mount it, you want to make sure that the single hole is at the top with these hooks also at the top. So we're going to show you how to do that right now. So here you can see I have my mounted bracket on the wall. All I did was mark my 3 holes, drill my 1/4" holes, put my anchors in, and then put my screws in. The only thing left to do is to actually put the machine on there, and it's done by these 2 up here. All we're going to do is slide these 2 over the hooks to mount it. So here I have my bottle and my diffuser head. What I want to do is unscrew the cap of the bottle, put my diffuser head in, the tube inside, and tighten it up. And I'll be ready to put it inside the unit. You should already have your unit programmed. When you put it on the wall, you want to install your batteries. And then take your bottle with the diffuser head attached, snap it into place, close it, and then with the key provided, lock it. The first thing we want to do on a 2.6 is set the time. We'll make sure our batteries are installed. Put it on battery. The time will show up on the screen. We'll hit this, hold the first button until it beeps and the number will flash. So the first thing we do is set the hours by using the up and down buttons. Hit enter. You will then set the minutes by using the up and down buttons. Hit enter again. And you'll see the days flash up on top. And make sure you pick the correct day. Once you do that, use the up and down buttons, you hit enter, and then come back and hit set. And your time of day will display on the screen. To program the event, what we want to do is hit the set button, just tap it. It'll bring up event 1. Here we want to set the start and stop time. So we're going to start at 0000. So here we can just hit enter and then enter again. And then the stop time, we're going to be at 23:59. So we're going to go down on the hours, hit enter, go down 1 on the minutes. So it's at 23:59, hit enter. And then we're going to select the grade we want, which is going to be 07. That's our recommended grade we want for this 2.6. So we're going to go up till we get to G7, hit enter. And then we got to select the days of the week. We're going to go through this 7 times to get 7 days a week. So we're going to hit up and then enter after each one until we get to 7 days. You'll go back to event 1, and we're going to hit the set button to go through the rest of the events and not do anything to them. And then we're back to the time displayed on the clock here, and we are done programming.